Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with another amazing smoothie for you guys. This one is super simple. About 5 ingredients, if my math is correct. We're going to start with our super high power speed blender. Into that, 1.5 cups of frozen strawberries. Next, 1 mango diced. This was not frozen, you can use frozen mango. This will just help. To that, 1 cup of homemade almond milk. You can check the recipes on the website, www.dherbs.com/Chef RedBeard, to find the recipe for homemade almond milk, because that's what we have here. And we have some agave syrup, that's 2 tablespoons. Lastly, because it's a smoothie, 2 cups of ice. Blend. Start low, crank it up. Deliciousness ensues. Looks perfect to me. We're gonna stop it there. I'll show you guys, as always, how to present this beautiful drink. So, this smoothie, I didn't tell you guys in the beginning. I could have prefaced it with that, and then you probably would have followed along better. It tastes exactly like strawberry shortcake or strawberry dream cake, or like a Shirley Temple from your childhood, or anything strawberry and cream like. Delicious. Just gonna pour it up in a tall glass. You can see how viscous it is. It's still frozen, but not slushy like. This is the smoothie of your raw vegan dreams. Beautiful, delicious strawberry mango smoothie with almond milk that we made. Exactly. If you like this recipe and like to see others, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click the little bell icon in the corner. Follow us at www.dherbs.com/Chef RedBeard. As always, enjoy.